Let us model a spur gear in Blender, with accurate involute profile of its teeth. Add a circle and enter radius equal to 5 cm. The pitch circle diameter for our gear is 10 cm, and number of teeth are 32. The outside circle radius is equal to pitch circle radius plus addendum, where addendum is equal to module. Similarly, base circle radius is generally kept equal to pitch circle radius minus dedendum. A free add-on named extra mesh objects is required for involute tooth shape creation. Add XYZ math surface mesh object. The Z parameter must be 0, and X and Y parametric equations for involute shape are shown here. Adjust the U max and U step values, such that the profile shape remains between the circles. Rotate the profile about 3D cursor, with the cursor at the center of the circles, to bring the profile to the right of the Y-axis. Duplicate it, and rotate 180 degrees about Y-axis. On the pitch circle, the arc segment between the profiles should be equal to 0.4909. Use measure tool to find this in edit mode. You can use S equal to R theta to calculate exact rotation angle. Once it is done, join the end vertices to form a closed shape. Add a plane, and move it to the tooth shape. Enter edit mode of plane, hold Ctrl, and select the tooth shape. In the mesh menu, select knife project. Delete the unnecessary faces of the plane. Adjust the size of the base circle a little bit, if necessary. Press F to make face in edit mode. Hide the other circles, and tooth profile. Now set the origin of the tooth plane to the center of the circle. Add empty axis. Select the tooth plane, and add array modifier. Deselect relative offset and select object offset. Select empty as the object. Since the gear is designed for 32 teeth, rotate the empty by 360 divided by 32. That is 11.25 degrees. Now, select tooth and increase the number of count to 32. Apply the modifier. Select the teeth and circle and press Ctrl plus J. In the edit mode, select all and extrude. You can also rotate the plane to form helical gear. You can make rack and pinion, or a smaller or larger gear, which meshes with this one, using the same tooth plane. If you found this video useful, and would like to watch more related videos, please support me by subscribing and sharing. Thank you so much for your motivating comments.